Hello there, this is Diego Saldivar, a Neurogames designer and a little bit of a creative technologist. I have a very quick update. I did not have the time to record this in a proper studio, so you'll just have to deal with the difference in quality. Sorry. A couple days ago, Alex Nee asked if my template could be used for mobile platforms. In theory, it could be. And just to try to see if this code actually just worked out of the box for mobile, I decided to very quickly try it out on my tablet. The quick answer is yes, it can be, but you have to change a couple things here and there. So that's what I did. And now I offer you the mobile Neurogame template. The link is in the description. This is adapted to mobile display so that certain things can be better seen in very small displays, such as a phone. You can also see that certain things have changed a little bit in the heads-up display to make it a bit more compact. And parts of the code are adapted to how mobiles solve threads. Some code was modified in the interfacer and in the graphic user interface for the title code. Because some things do not work the exact same in mobile devices than in a PC. The memory is allocated in a different manner, and for instance, saving into the internal memory has to be done in the main thread, and it cannot be done in an async method, for instance. So that has changed. As you can see, it works also not just on the simulator, but also on my phone. It also works on my tablet. And I recommend that you download it, check it out, and send me your mobile Neurogames. That would be super great. So thank you very much, and see you later.